miles away, and I know everything looks the same. 50 million miles away, and I know this. It's a different pocket, same old game. Will someone help me from this world I created? I'm not coming home tonight. So
What's up, guys? It's Chris over at Eyeball Pythons, and we're just giving you a Rain Gene update. It's been about a year since we've been involved in the project, and we're just going to start off with the Super Phantom Rain, the original that we bought as a baby. So here you can check that out. Let me just get her a little bit rambunctious here. There we go. So she's really cool. She's really turned up pale cream color. She's not like a lot of other Super Phantoms. You can see the brakes and the lines and everything else. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to put a Super Phantom next to her right now, so you guys can see the difference. So here is a regular Super Phantom. Hey, that has no Rain Gene in it. Now this is what you get when you add the Rain Gene to it. So of course this one's not staying still, but you could kind of get the general idea here. So we're doing a lot. Hopefully she'll go this year. She's about maybe 2 years and a couple of months old now, so we're going to give her a shot this year and see what else we could do with her. Okay, now these were the first kind of homegrown Rain Genes that we actually hatched here. These are the Purple Rains. If you remember, we had a lot of video on them about a year ago. You can see how they've grown up. It's actually Purple Passion with the Rain Gene in it. So we're looking at Phantom Mojave plus Rain here. And you can see how everything just basically gets erased out on top of the snake. Especially on this one here, you can see the stripe on the female. And again, they're not as gray as Super Phantoms, so that's kind of cool. They're almost like a cream color. And as they shed, it's almost like they're becoming more and more white. So we're trying to just figure out what to do with these next. The male is actually ready to go, and the female should be ready next year. So hopefully we'll have everything out next season. We'll have a lot more Rain things to kind of pick from. Danny, can you just get me the Super Phantom Rain? I just want to show a comparison. Okay, so again, here's the comparison. This is the Super Phantom Rain here. Here's a Purple Rain. Here's another Purple Rain. So you can see how much of it kind of gets whited out with the Rain Gene involved, and how the stripes all kind of change and get less yellow. They're actually very cool. We can't wait to add pastel and yellow belly into these guys.
Can you put them all together again? And can you put them all together? They're so big now.
Yeah, I know, right?
Look at that.
There we go. Okay, now this is the Blackhead Rain. There may be something else going on here, but right now we're calling this the Black Rain. It's Blackhead and Rain. And you can see how the Rain Gene actually stripes it out and really fades up the sides quite a bit. The pattern is actually interrupted and looks almost like little hieroglyphics on the edge here. So we just wanted to show this one off a little bit. We know a lot of you have already seen it, but it's getting bigger, and actually he should be ready to breed this season. So
looking nicer.
It's going to be interesting to see what this little guy does. Okay, so what we hatched out here In one way it was a surprise, in one way it wasn't. So the pairing was a Phantom Rain father to a Super Phantom Rain female. So we kind of knew we were going to get Super Phantom Rains out of this, which we thought would look similar to what we showed you previously. But what we actually got was a pair of these, which we believe are Super Phantom Super Rains. Now you can see what happened to the pattern. There's zero stripe on these guys, and the pattern really just got kind of chopped to hell here, and there's a lot of zigzags and cool little spacing, and these guys are actually getting darker as they shed. So you could see it with this is the little boy right here, but you could really see it with the little girl right here. So between the fading on the bellies all the way up and the cool kind of jagged stripes, we're kind of loving this a little bit. They both have kind of a similar dorsal stripe along the back, but that's pretty much where it starts and where it ends. So this is actually very cool snakes that we're really looking forward to working with these guys. These guys are going to stay in house for quite a while now, so I hope you like these guys.